Hi traders, Anthony here. Just going to take a look at the markets in general, and I want to give you my take on the current situation. If we go over to our alerts here, every one of these alerts, I would say 99% of them in the last however long, are telling us that the market is overextended. Let me show you a couple of things. Stock markets, 4 hour. Let's just take it out to a daily. Stock markets are tanking at the moment. Look at this. We're having this cascading waterfall effect. Serious business going on here, folks. I absolutely do not want to get involved with that. This is risk off big time at the moment. Look at the fear index down here, how strong that is. Fear in the market. So money will be pouring out of risk assets into safe haven assets. So gold is most likely catching a bid. We have a quick look at that actually. There it is, 4 hour chart, daily. Look at that. All right, so money's pouring out of the risk assets into safe haven assets. So you're going to find currencies like the Japanese yen and the Swissy will be the stronger currencies at the moment. Risk off. And you could look for Japanese yen pairs, where the Japanese yen is the stronger currency, if you want to look for a trade opportunity. Bitcoin tanking. Bitcoin is considered a risk asset. We have a look at the S&P. This is the S&P500 heat map, red across the board. Okay, so this is going to give you some indication that the crypto market could be following suit. What I've got here is the S&P 500 above and Bitcoin below on a 4 hour chart. See the correlation here with the stock markets? It's quite an uncanny resemblance. See that? Okay. So if you're looking for an opportunity to trade Bitcoin, you might want to check out what the stock markets are up to. You know, I've got this multi-chart layout here. I've got the S&P on the left. I've got the Nasdaq in the middle, the Dow Jones, US 30 on the right up the top, Germany, FTSE. And then we've got the VIX index, and we can see at the moment how strong the VIX is. Okay, this is the fear index. We have a fair bit of fear in the market at the moment. Risk off. It's a risk-off environment. And then coming back to how overextended everything is. I mean, just look at this on the daily chart. This is trading out from the mean, well and truly. On the 4 hour, I absolutely do not want to get involved at the moment. The best trade signal I could give you would be to stay out of the markets while this is going on at this stage. And don't just trade for the sake of trading. No, that's extremely risky. Kind of opportunity that I'm going to be looking for will be, and again it comes back to, if you're looking at Bitcoin here for example, we did a tutorial on Fibonacci. Okay, well here's a swing high to swing low. Be careful, you know, we're looking for the pullbacks into the yellow fib zone, but look how far back this retraced here and it's spiked up. That's a liquidity grab. Smart money. In a bearish market, smart money knows that retail traders will be looking at these fib pullback trade opportunities. See how the market stalled in here? Okay, retail by the millions piled in short here, and smart money forced the market back up and wiped out everybody, a lot of people. This is one reason why I trade the way I do. In all of my videos you'll see how I'm trading and why I take 80%, why I pull my stop loss in to break even or better quickly, and then we let that 20% go and we have fun with that. You know, it's about account preservation, maximizing the gains, but dodging the bullets pretty much. You know, all this volatility. At the moment, guys, for me, it's Thursday. There won't be trade signals tonight. Absolutely not. It would be foolish to get involved. Yeah, I mean, what I would be interested in is to see if we get a pullback here, grab the fib again, 4 hour chart, see if we can see a move back into this zone, give or take. Could wick up, could do anything, could roll over here and head south. It's definitely the Wild West, but don't trade for the sake of trading. It's foolish. So I'll be sitting back, and if we see another opportunity on a pullback, then we can come in. As always, if this is the point of interest here, for example, what does that look like on the 1 minute chart? We would have had a little trade out of that, but that's why I'm going for this 1 minute time frame anyway. You'll see if you watch my videos how I approach the markets. Okay, there's your trade there. All right, you've got your signal, breakout, short it. Okay, you're going to ignore the bullish breaks. We'll go mainly for the bearish breaks, and this was that little pullback. Okay, we got a little bit out of that. I'm only going to be looking for these bearish opportunities on this time frame, but I'm wanting entry to be when we get the pullback. Let's have a look at the 1 hour chart here. When you do this, you're looking for, let me just clear everything, right? Bearish trend, so you're looking for that pullback, and look, there's a line to kind of consider, something like that. Okay, so you're looking for that pullback. This is the mean here on the 1 hour. Okay, you want the pullback into the mean, and then consider opportunities closer to this line here. All right, and then look what happens. Okay, so this is why we take our 80% quickly, take your money and run. Then we get these opportunities. All right, watch my other videos, guys. It's rinse and repeat. It works. So at the moment, I'm going to have a night off. Before I wrap up the video, thumbs up, guys. Smash the likes. Help my YouTube channel. Really needs a bit of love at the moment. Subscribe if you haven't. Go to my website, tradingwithanthony.com. Have a look on there. There's lots of information, and you can gain access to the whole package. Indicators, my private Telegram group, 7 days absolutely free. Give it a shot. Take care. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.